All right, meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros. We're talking about severe weather and flooding this afternoon and coming on up. Rainfall is moving towards the Delaware Valley. We're also going to see a firing up of showers and thunderstorms. This will be across the Roanoke Valley, New River Valley, into central Virginia. There may be some rotation with these storms, so tornadoes can occur within these storms. As you see, that's one. And then we'll be looking at Friday of increase of showers and thunderstorms again over that period. So I'm going to take a look at the NAM nest, which is a little bit also. That was the HRR, so that's pretty consistent what's going on. We'll see what the NAM nest looks like, and it's pretty much the same with the potential here. Same potential, severe weather, same areas. Looks into Friday into Saturday before that low pressure develops off the coast and affects New Jersey and Delaware and all those locations on that. We'll take the look at the STP, or significant tornado parameter, and see what we get. And we do have some STP right along Roanoke and south. So we do have some STP, or significant tornado parameter, features there, and that tells me one thing, that we do have a chance of rotating thunderstorms. So we have to watch out this afternoon, not just for the hail and high winds, but the chance of tornadic activity, especially when we're looking 2,000 to 3,000 Cape. And the prime looks like the prime time, I would say, for the area is going to be right around 0Z. To me, that's a good time, a good point for it to occur. And the reason is because the way the front's going to come across the area, and at a time, the day where the showers and thunderstorms can fire up, we are looking at some increasing moisture here in the Thaxton, Stewartsville area, and it does have a tornado parameter with 2,600 Cape. And this will be right around 8 p.m. tonight. Change of winds and height, definitely there. STP, up above 2.5. So I'm pretty happy with the chance of what, I'm not happy with the chance, but I can see the chance of this potentially being a tornado issue. So we back up a little bit further. That's the STP. So that being said, let's take a look right now at what's going on currently. This is good to know for where the front is, and this is going to be the firing line. This is the importance of this. So we're going to look at. I'm going to look at. Let's see. I guess that would be it. Take a look. Northeast. Actually, I want right now. I want surface maps. High resolution fronts. Zoom in. Okay. So here's our front and our low. And this will fluctuate north and west as the time goes on. We do have 65-degree dew points. Let's be honest. There's a lot of moisture available. 60 here in Roanoke. Lots of moisture available. Right along in this area where it converges is where we're going to have the best chance of showers and thunderstorms and tornadoes. So my thing was, say, southern West Virginia, across Roanoke and the New River Valley in the south side. That's going to be your spot for potential tornadic activity today. And that is just based on what is being seen right now. So I'll go to the Storm Prediction Center real fast, and I'm going to back up here. And we're all in a slight risk category. The sun has come out, giving us enough chance to get showers and thunderstorms firing. So it's now looking a little better off. So what do I want to look at here? My meso-analysis. There's a reason for it. I like looking at meso-analysis for a few things. I like seeing what I have. And the composite index is multi-parameter. I always look at multi-parameter first. And you can see right across Roanoke and Lynchburg, that multi-parameter is pretty hot. Let's see, multi-parameter, composite index, super significant tornado, effective and fixed. You can see this pop spot next to Rocky Mount to Roanoke shows up. Effective layer. So the SDP is going to come along. Enhanced stretching. Always look at that. This will also come more of a situation as it comes east. Let me see something else. I want to see significant severe. Sometimes these things are slow. Definitely an area across southwest Virginia. Go figure, right? So like I said, Roanoke, Lynchburg, anytime from about a half hour from now on, showers and thunderstorms will develop. Some will be supercells, some will be tornadic. So keep an eye on the weather for that time frame. We'll talk to you again soon. Meteorologist Dean Davison. Have a great day. Make sure you have multiple ways of getting information. And be weather aware. Meteorologist Dean Davison, thanks for watching.